In this video, I'll show you how to make a Python program to see if a tree is a sum tree or not. No, it's a sum tree. The sum tree is when each node branches, it adds up to each node. At node 26, 4 plus 6 plus 10 is its left branch, which is 20. And its right branch is 3 plus 3, so and that's 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. At node 10, its left branch is 4, and its right branch is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. And 3, its left branch is 0 because it's none, and its right branch is 3 because it's 3. And so 3 plus 0 is 3. So this one, so I know 3 is also a sum tree. You can build a tree by first you need to make a class, and we call it node, and then you have to make sure that each right has a point. It's a point to right and a point to left, and it has a value too. So a root is 26, and its left branch is 10. Right is 3, and so on with everyone. First, it checks. This is a function called isSumTree, which takes the input of root and the output if it's a sum tree or not. If the root is equal to none, that means that then you just assume it's true. And if it's a leaf node, when left and right is none, then you return true because leaf nodes are already a sum tree. Because if they aren't a sum tree already, that means that no tree will be a sum tree. Then it looks to see if then it finds the value of the left branch by calling a function called sum that takes the input of node and of root and the output of the sum of the tree you put in. It first checks if node is none. If the node is none, that means it returns 0 because you just consider it as none, which in this case would be 0. And then it gets the sum of the whole left branch, and then it looks at the same with the right branch. Then it also adds in the value because that's also part of the thing. So, because that's why you put in root out left instead of just root. And then it does the same thing with the right side. It returns, it first checks if left plus right is equal to val. So left is 20 and right is 6, so it's equal to val, which is 26. And if the left is also a sum tree and the right is a sum tree. If it is, that means the output is true. If it's not, that means the output is false. In this case, the output is true because 20 plus 6 is 26, and 4 plus 6 is 10, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So that's how you can make a program to check if a tree is a sum tree or not.